Hi everyone, today I have come with 4 free Udemy courses. First one is Introduction to Data Science using Python. Second one is Arcade Classic in JavaScript on Canvas. And third one is HTML5 and CSS3 fundamentals. And the last one is Programming 1-to-1. Before enrolling into this courses, let us go for the Udemy website. Just click on this link and you will be directed into the next web page which has login and sign up. If you have an existing ID, you can just log in, or if you are new to this website, you can just click on sign up and fill these details. Just click on sign up. You will be directed to a new main page of this udemy.com. You can see that I have enrolled for a course like Introduction to Data Science using Python. That is this course. I've already enrolled, so it shows you here, or you can just click on my learning. If you just click on my learning, you will be directed to this page where you can see what courses you have enrolled. So I have enrolled for this course, and that is available here. Go to course. For those courses which I have not enrolled, it will show enroll now. So you can just click on enroll now and you can enroll for this course. Okay. I have given the link in the description so that you can also enroll for this course. All the best. Thank you.